Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Rahul, and let's go ahead and begin with the technical analysis for this week. Before this, let's see how the last week panned out as per what we were expecting earlier. So let's begin with the Nifty Index. As per our last week analysis, we were expecting the market to be either bearish or sideways, and exactly that's what we see on the chart. We do not see an uptrend. In spite of the bullish candle, the piercing pattern that was formed last week, we still have a downward momentum. As you see on the daily chart, you can clearly see that we have a rejection from the Fibonacci level of 61.8, right? And the candle is also showing further downward move. So expecting a bearish movement on Nifty on this week. Let's move on to Bank Nifty. Similar view, only thing the move is much more confirmed here because you can see that we have two back-to-back body dominating bearish candles showing that we are looking at a continuation of this downward move. The first target would be the previous low at 29,615. Now looking at last week analysis, we were bearish on Hdfc Bank. You can see Hdfc Bank is showing bearish movement. We have a red candle here. IndusInd Bank also went as per our expectations. We have a bearish move. Bajaj Auto played at the same range, neither went up nor went down. We are bearish on the automobile sector. We can see Eicher Motors has done a nice bearish move. Wipro, we were expecting price to move. We have a red candle, but it did get rejected. It reached the support and bounced up from there. Hindustan Unilever did not go as per expectation. We were expecting it to be bearish, but it is still making a new high. We were bearish on ITC. You can see price did fall. And the pharma sector, we were bearish. Price is still, we have a red candle on the pharma sector. Right, so that's it for last week. Now let's begin with this week's analysis. So for this week, let's start with the automobile sector, which looks extremely bearish for this week. So we have Hero. You can see the charts. We are looking at a breakout of this consolidation, right? We have the price consolidating but strong bearish move. Looking at the weekly chart, we are expecting the price to break out and continue its downward move. Mahindra & Mahindra again looks strongly bearish. You can see the breakout happened earlier. Price did a pullback and it is still at the same range, ready to break out anytime. Then we have Maruti, which is doing the same thing. You can see similar patterns in all automobile stocks. The consolidation is almost breaking out. Tata Motors, we see the same thing. Price is not able to sustain an upward move. And a similar view on Eicher Motors again. Right, so we have these for the automobile sector. Basically, the overall sector looks extremely bearish, so it's best to be on the selling side for this week. Now moving on to the consumer sector, starting with Asian Paints. Now the good part about this is that the fall has not yet started, which means we can target the fall right from the top. We already have a double top formation here, lot of rejection of the resistance, and now the first target would be at 1837. Then we have Britannia. Britannia looking extremely bearish again. We have a strong rejection, which was today's candle. Price went up and then got rejected from the resistance. So we have a bearish move on Britannia. Then we have Nestle again looking like a reversal from the top. Price made a new high, got rejected and now closed as a bearish indecision candle. Again for this week we have the pharma sector bearish. So we have bearish move on Sun Pharmaceutical. And then we also have Coal India, which is bearish for this week. You can see the price is has done a retracement of about 23.6% and now looking to continue its downward move. The consolidation is already broken out and we can expect the price to break down further. Right, so that's it for this week, guys. I hope you're enjoying the weekly analysis. If you have any other stocks that you want us to check out, please feel free to mention this in the comments. I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.